Good day everyone, especially to you sir. I am Elaine Di Balasa from BSCD2B. The topic that I'm going to discuss is about cashless economy, the impact of demonetization on small and medium businesses. Demonetization significantly impacted small and medium businesses negatively, primarily due to a sudden cash crunch, difficulty in accessing new currency, and lack of digital payment infrastructure, leading to a decline in sales and operational challenges, especially for businesses heavily reliant on cash transaction. However, in the long run, it may have pushed some businesses to adopt digital payment system, potentially leading to a more cashless economy. Key impacts of demonetization on small and medium business. First is immediate cash crunch. When high-value currency notes were suddenly withdrawn, many small businesses face a temporary shortage of working capital, leading to disruptions in operations and inability to meet immediate expenses. So, dito na yung pagtaas ng value ng pera, makaapekto siya sa value currency ng isang negosyo. Lalo na yung mga small businesses, malulugi talaga sila kasi wala na silang kapital or wala na silang ikumpra para sa business nila. Mahina na din sales nila sa business kasi tsaka dahil sa pagtaas ng ekonomiya ng bansa. Kaya maraming nagko-close na negosyo dahil nalugi at saka yung expenses na kailangan mong expenses tsaka yung tapal na expenses ng negosyo nila. Number 2 is reduce sales. With a customers struggling to access cash, consumer spending decreased, particularly impacting businesses in the real sector like grocery store, local markets, and small restaurants. So, sa reduce sale is sa mga customers na nag-struggle sa cash, bumababa yung budget ng customer kasi yun na yung bukod sa hindi enough ang pera mo or pera nila, kailangan nilang magtipid. Ang consumer naman, ang consumer is bumababa ang paggasta nila, particularly na ang negosyo sa retail sector tulad ng grocery store, local markets, yung maliliit na restaurant like karinderya, ganun. Third is yung digital payment. Many small and medium businesses lack the necessary digital infrastructure to efficiently process cashless transaction, causing further decline in sales as customers opted for business with digital payment. So, sa digital payment is sa panahon ngayon, sobrang high-tech technology na is karamihan ay nagbabayad na through online, through GCash, through online transaction. Or maybe sa card. Para na siya, marami ng cashless, hindi na sila nagdadala ng pera. Yun na lang, through online banking, through online payment, ganon. Even nga magbayad ng mga bills natin na kurente, water, ganon, is pwede na siya through online. Talagang sobrang high-tech na pwede ka na magbayad online na lang. Hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng pera. Pero sa online banking na yun or online transaction, may mga barriers siya na marami siyang barriers na kailangang i-consider. Katulad na lang din yung kapag hindi maiwasan pag through online banking is merong, yun na nga, may ang iba mahinang internet, or ang iba ang card nila is hindi nagagana, ginadecline ng ATM machine or ng bangko, at yung iba naman is parang scam. Pang-apat naman is yung labor challenges. Some businesses face temporary labor issues as employees spend time waiting in lines to exchange old currency. Dito sa low labor challenge naman is ito na yung ilang mga negosyo ay nahaharap sa temporary labor issue. Ito na yung ang daming trabahante, ang daming employees, pero yung kita is hindi na siya enough para pasahurin yung mga employees na yon. Maliit na lang ang kita pero marami pa ring employees. So, paano mo mababayaran ang mga tauhan mo kung yung kita mo is hindi na siya enough? Ganon. They work sa business mo to exchange ng money for their daily lives. Impact on last one is impact on supply chains. Disruption in the supply chain could occur as suppliers struggle with cash flow issues, impacting the ability of small businesses to procure goods. No, sa labor on supply chain, ang mga pangamba sa supply chain ay maaaring mangyari kapag ang mga suppliers ay nahihirapan sa mga issues sa daloy ng money na nakakaapekto sa kakayahan ng mga maliliit na negosyo na bumili ng mga kalakal.